This is serious! Our living room urgently needs a new beautiful painting, and I'm proud to say I already did the math. We're gonna need about $100,000 on the new materials.
What? It's a robbery! What are you gonna buy with this money?
We need to get a new big paintbrush set. It can't be cheap, you know.
We don't need new brushes for a wonderful painting. Hi, everyone!
Guys, you're gonna be amazed today! Sue, here you go!
Oh, thanks! It's exactly what I need!
And how about the palette? I know it's useful for mixing paints.
And you're right, but this time, we'll apply paints just like this.
Holy cannoli!
And we've just started, you know.
But what are we drawing? So far it looks like the rain of paints.
I like your vivid imagination. But this is going to be an enchanted forest.
Like in fairy tales? Oh, I'm so excited!
That's right, but our forest will be better, cause it's a reality and not just the story. Now, we should blend the colors with a few short fern strokes, like this. Guys, we've got a lot of videos about wonderful paintings on our channel.
And I strongly recommend you check them out. It's worth it, Sue. So for this painting, we only need one brush? I mean, you said that we're not gonna buy a whole set.
Actually, that's not entirely true.
Then it's good that I found several old brushes in our craft box.
Thank you very much. Guys, try to be careful with the colors and don't make a mess.
It's very easy if you'll change brushes and rinse them in cold water. Sue, move over. I'm gonna show you my skills. A little bit here, one more stroke, and ta-da!
This is a great honor to work with you, Master Samuel. Now we need to work on this side. Here we go.
Sue, don't get me wrong, but with this empty spot, the enchanted forest doesn't seem so enchanted. Whoa!
Sammy, it'll stay empty if you're gonna spin in my way like that. Guys, I can't wait to move on to the next stage, so I hope you don't mind if we speed up a little bit. Now we're talking!
Guys, stay tuned! I bet you'll be surprised with the result!
Let's continue, guys! The application technique for this stage is a bit different but still very easy. We just need to tap the surface with a sponge like this, and it's very important to work on wet paint. This way.
Sue, did you know that there are many fairy tales in which the enchanted forest plays a big part?
Really? Then tell us!
No, I have a better idea. I will give you some clues and you'll guess.
Sounds great! Let's do this! Let the fairy tale quiz begin!
All right! Ahem. Here comes your first clue. Oh, wait. Tale as old as time, true as it can be.
Oh, I know! It's Beauty and the Beast! The Beast's castle was situated in the forest, and Belle's father got lost there in the very beginning of the story.
Great, Sue! You nailed it! How about this one?
You decided to grab a bite, Sammy, at a moment like this? Ugh, as usual.
Wrong! Susie, that was another clue!
If I clearly understood, that's Gingy from Shrek? Am I right?
But why do you think I'm eating it? It's Hansel and Gretel!
I can't believe I didn't realize that! Guys, do you remember this story about the siblings? Trapped in a witch's house made of gingerbread cake and pastries? It's really exciting!
La 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 la. I'm a little girl wearing a red hood.
Maybe you've got some food?
What a deep voice you have.
The better to greet you with.
What a big mouth you have.
The better to eat you with.
Sammy! As you might have guessed, guys, Sammy and I performed a scene from Little Red Riding Hood.
And that was awesome!
In the meantime, I'm almost done with the trees. We just need more branches. What's that? Ugh, Sammy! Wait, is it another clue? Sammy!
What else could it be? Do you really think I'd interrupt you without a reason?
Well, I have a guess. Does that arrow have something to do with Robin Hood?
And that's the fourth fairy tale!
That's right! Hey, I've just realized that we finished this stage.
And it looks awesome! Do you agree, guys? If yes, don't forget about a thumbs up!
Oh no! Where is everything? I clearly remember it was right here!
Isn't this what you were looking for?
Oh, you're my savior, thanks! Guys, now our forest looks kind of gloomy. Let's make it blossom. For the final stage, you need to secure Q-tips with a rubber band to make this strange bouquet. We'll just dip it in the paint and go tap, 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 this way.
And what if... Yeah, that's a great idea! I gotta write it down so I don't forget it!
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing? Making a new list of necessary things for our crafts?
Nuh-uh! Our painting inspired me to figure out my own fairy tale!
Really? I can't wait to hear it. Give us some details. Guys, are you interested too? Then give us a thumbs up.
I didn't finish yet, but okay. It is a story about a very cool pink slime. He is a big friend of all animals and loves making crafts.
Let me guess. His name is Sam, right?
How did you know?
I can read your mind. But what about the forest?
Well, he meets fantastic creatures traveling across the forest
With
a great deal of courage.
Okay, Sammy, is it just me or your fairy tale is missing another character? Maybe a human friend?
Oh yeah, of course. I almost forgot to say it. She's very smart and kind and just awesome. And her name is Sue, of course.
Sammy, it seems like your fairy tale resembles our real life.
Perhaps. What can I do if our life is like a wonderful fairy tale? With a best friend, everything turns out to be dreamlike.
Oh, Sammy, you're so cute. I'm so lucky to have you by my side. In the meantime, we're close to the finish line. Let's just add a few last details to make the whole picture look more complete.
Sue, how much time do you need? I'm tired of waiting.
Be patient, Sammy. Do you know an old saying? Everything comes to he who waits. And we're done.
Wow, guys, would you look at this? It's just something.
Yeah, I think this is going to be one of my favorites. And it's so easy to make. Sometimes less effort can lead to a great result, like today. Guys, why don't we have another look at our wonderful painting in all its glory?
Oh, this painting is worth being on the pages of the most fantastic fairy tale!
Sammy, it's so flattering to hear that.
You know, I always estimate crafts honestly and without prejudice. I am a great artist, do you remember? So I am a competent judge here.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with that.
Do you mind me having this painting in my room?
I can even help you hang it wherever you want.
I'm gonna look at it before falling asleep to have wonderful dreams.
Guys, if you liked our craft today, give us a lot of thumbs ups.
Hit the bell button so you don't miss out on anything.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.